Every day I'm checking the price and it's dipping. Can devs do something?
Hey, traders. Welcome to the very, very early stream where, index funds begun to roll over at session lows, which in turn is causing the already terrible crypto market to continue its plunge where altcoins are at biblical levels where Luna is currently down 90%. Saw 75 cents, bounced off that, saw $8. Now it's at $1.77. My God, like what? I think it was up 700% from its bottom, but as now almost all those gains are getting back. It's just like, wow. His history, man, we're living in the history. So I still got that good old, Luna crash stream chart up where we could. Okay, of course not. Hold on. God dang it. I updated my drivers last night, so everything got screwed. One sec. Here we go. I think that's it. Yes, here it is. Left side of your screen is Luna. That again, talking about its lowest price today was 69 cents, perfect number, and then rebounded to 780 and then is now at 180. What devilry is this? And then you got actual stablecoin that got as low as 26 cents, is now at 67 cents. Literally not stable. Unstable coin, UST. Duquan, threw out a bunch of words today. What did he say? Let me read a little bit. Let me just read the buzzwords he said after the rug pull or whatever happened. Where Bitcoin's back above 30K. Easy, right? Easy, man. Where is it? All right. Buzzwords used. Weathered the crisis. We'll see. All right, community. Community's another one. Healing, another one. Okay. Explore various options. Okay. Most vibrant community in crypto industry. Hundreds of passionate teams building. Okay. Yeah, a lot of that stuff, man. We're gonna keep making noise. We're gonna keep making noise. But you may be homeless, but get wrecked, dude. So yeah, I mean it's crazy, right? How I tweeted about it, obviously no one cared. But like I just think it's insane, to think about Bear Stearns, like one of the craziest things that ever happened on the stock market, the way it collapsed, and how Luna said hold my beer and doubled it. Because $20 billion market cap Bear Stearns. I know it's different, but and it took a while for Bear Stearns to eventually collapse. But this is another level where, at $120 on Luna, we're talking about a $41 billion market cap. And what's the current market cap, chat? In 36 days, Luna goes from $41 billion to, somebody tell me what the actual market cap is right now. Be alert. I'll wait for y'all to answer. No, dude, come on. It said now, not what it was. 800 million, 568 million. Yeah, dude, that is way worse than Bear Stearns. And guess what? This is what happens when you don't bail anyone out. It continues. I mean, maybe that would have happened to Bear Stearns if the government didn't intervene, right? But there's problems there. It sucks. It's terrible. It's almost yesterday's news, but it's not because dude, I stayed up till 2 a.m. because I couldn't keep my eyes off the Luna chart because it just kept crashing over. And I'm like, okay, I gotta get some sleep. So wake up, 69 cents, $8, 180 now. Wow. So problem is you got Bitcoin that is staring into the abyss. Where I'm talking yeah, man, it may hold. It very well may hold, right? Of course, it's illiquid right now. You can clearly see the price action swings are insane. You'd be insane to be trying to play this. I mean, again, I think you're just gambling if you are trying to make plays here. But below this level, 30K, really dangerous. I'm talking 28,750 is a wick low from January 22nd and June 22nd. Reminds me of Cardano's $1 Scamwick or whatever support. I mean, so you got that at least. You got another $1,000 before you see those levels. Then there's absolutely nothing after that. It's just, wow, okay, nothing. So I just better really hope the market participants defend this area, which they tried to, and they publicly announced that they were trying to, right? All these people, El Salvador, Justin Sun, probably others too, you know, they bought Bitcoin, $30,530,700. And look where you are now, $29,920. I mean, there was no edge, right? You don't, I mean, ape into a level of support that's held before with no edge. Because it's just like, it might hold briefly, but you just don't know. Like, there's just so many less smart participants owning the asset than they did before. Lots of distribution still going on. Again, no edge though, right? There was no seller exhaustion when you hit 30K this time. And the rally was so pathetic, so trash, that the wave isn't even finished. You're not even done with the wave. You haven't confirmed any wave structure, right? Like where you have the W, you have the two smaller waves, you don't even have that. That wasn't a small wave at all. This is the same wave going on right now. So, should be really, I'm saying, be careful, man. Be careful, be careful. We break 40K, can't be bullish. You break 3K on Ethereum, you can't be bullish. 2,900, whatever. So, big problems in crypto and Bitcoin. But it's even worse. It's like, oh no, Bitcoin's only down 4%. Well, it's like the altcoins are going extinct, man. FTM down 35%, GRT down 35%, Forth down 30%, Alice down 30%, Block down 30%. Dude, do you understand why I'm live now? It kind of makes sense. Okay. 177 Luna. And I'm gonna keep that up. I'm gonna keep my eye on that, dude. I'd love to see this thing roll over again on stream. But we just got problems, dude. Why? What's going on with music? People just talking. Just stop talking in music. This is the problem, chat, that we had yesterday, today. We've had it for a long time, actually. The fact that you're in crash territory on the index funds, how does 30K hold? It doesn't. It's not holding. I mean, unless a miracle happens on the index funds, Bitcoin's not holding 30K. No miracle happens. So you're pretty much at session lows on all index funds right now. And there's no support really. I mean, you have good luck saying February 16th is an actual support, right? I think much lower to go, man. So it's that, and then it's like the Dow Jones. I can look at the DIA too, whatever. Dow Jones at its session lows, nothing here, man. I got a bunch of outer space. There's nothing here, dudes. Nothing. Okay, so free fall territory. Session lows. Big yikes. I'm session lows right now as I'm speaking to you, dudes. Add another alert or something. QQQ really too. Also, just where are you? No man's land. There's nothing here. You just breached the last line of defense. The defense was like a Cheeto, right? You know, the Cheeto in the lock with the SWAT team at the door. That's 297. So a lot further. There's nothing here, chat, on the Qs till 267. Nothing. How does Bitcoin hold 30K? It doesn't. It doesn't when these things happen. It won't. Can't. What about the Russell 2000? That one's okay, right? No. Wow, Dow Jones is continuing to dump at new session lows, man. Down about 1%. I'm just going to keep adding alerts. We're going to keep hearing beeps. We got blood in the streets, chat. But I'm telling you, there's no technical reason to be buying these bloods in the streets because the blood could be a lot. There could be a lot more blood, man. Thinking there is. All right. Russell 2000 that rudely interrupted by the Dow Jones tanking. There it is, Larry. All right, just man, let me look on the daily. You are approaching the pre-COVID highs. That was January 17th, 2020. That will be tested in moments time, most likely, right? Very, very soon. If you don't hold that, I'm sorry, you're screwed. You're going to 1600. $1,600. So from where you are, if you break support, what is that percentage? You got another 6.3, 6.4% downside. Very fast. Up, down, up, down, up, down. Up, okay, down. Yeah. Below that, oh, forget about it, man. Lots of trouble. $1,450, $1,300. Holy crap. It's the bear pole bear flag. Wyckoff distribution phase E as well, you could say. It's very, very bad, right? So we got problems. We got lots and lots of problems. But hey, natural gas is recovering pretty well today. The commodity is pretty much up. A lot of U.S. oil's up 6.7%. Wow, man, the whipsawing is unbelievable. Well, yesterday, oh, looks like it's gonna roll over. Now it's like, oh, it's holding support, all above all support. It's $100, massive engulfing candle. Dude, you have no idea. No idea. This thing is unreal right now. Still showing accumulation on U.S. oil. It did really look like it was a time to roll over, and nope. Sorry, we will continue upward till morale improves. Good God. So many assets devastated today. Or, you know, you had earnings and the Coinbase down like 40%. You know, so oil, all right. How's gold doing? Gold's up marginally. You know, it's a bullish Gartley, man. You know, people have identified a bullish Gartley. Hey, that's cool, dude. That's cool. Let's see what happens at the 200-day moving average. You finally got a green candle. I just don't know if it's enough yet. All right, you're there. I get you. People identified it. And you're kind of diverging. If you want to call it Class C or something, but yeah, as long as you make a higher low than 1800, the uptrend continues. Like, that's undeniable. You haven't made a lower low yet. No, you haven't. Not from your previous discernible lows. So, still technically okay, I guess. Silver's up 1%. It's terrible, though. It's so bad. It's below support. Below 2168, loser, trash, wouldn't touch it. Right? It's just awful, man. Not making higher lows. Like, gold making higher lows. Silver's not making higher lows. It's making lower lows. It's awful. All right, so just like, you know, kind of doing a brief checkup on commodities some. How about, dude, can you believe this? Look at wheat's doing. Wheat is literally still trying to show that Momo shift like you saw in February. Are you getting it again? They can't keep getting away with it, right? They can't. There it is, man. I mean, 886 at least, right? X, A, B, C, D. You run up to the 886. For the attempted rally, major attempted rally, 1295-ish. And I'm just talking about like a W. Something like this. It's the 886, like 1320-ish. Yeah. Crazy, man. Soybean futures, I mean, so bearish, but it's still holding, man. It's still holding support. We'll look for a rally, but look for a lower high, and that could be a distribution lower high, and then you roll over. It still looks just terrible, dude. It's awful. So, rice futures, unbelievable. At a 50% retrace, such a nice uptrend, and there's no resistance really here, dude. Man, there's none. So you go to 1847 next, then $20. Yikes. Commodities have not collapsed yet. They just haven't. So natural gas that had sold off is already rallying again hard, up 3.3%. Repeating, of course. Got to break that 7.63 area. Just a peak back from 2004. It's where you're at right now. So, right, we knew nothing. It was not over at all for natural gas. Just had to pull back some, and it's only still just making a higher low again. It's ridiculous. These commodities still pack leaders. About live cattle futures, it's just been all over the place. You know, it's made a lower low, but it's not collapsed yet below 130. So there's gaps up there to fill. Cotton, man, cotton futures that they pulled back some after hitting 152, which was a gap fill. It filled the gap. Hit the top. I mean, it kind of broke out of the log scale uptrend. Back in it, barely. So strong, man. Unbelievable. It's ridiculous. It's inverse S coins, you know. So anyway, I just wanted to look at some commodities, the index funds, and we can go back to your favorite S coins, right? Your favorite S coins. Here's a nicer, bigger view of Luna. The scam will always be known as a scam. We'll call it supports. Yeah, I mean, it went to levels that I guess maybe made sense technically this morning. 60s. Yep. Never quite got down to 55 cents though. But it did hit that January 7th, 2021 high around 92 cents. You think if it like breaks that for real, then it will go to 56 cents. And then after that is like 29 cents. Get wrecked, dude. All right. And you got supports, dude. Fruit flies. Who cares? Who cares if there's support, man? No one cares. This is a scam. The Do Kwon guy will go in the history books as a scammer or an idiot, a dunce that lost people millions of dollars. Whichever way, you can't paint it positively. I'm sorry, you just can't. It didn't go to zero. What the good God? Dude, left field.
Double Down tip $222. Thanks, Mitch.
Nah, double down. Thank you, man. Let's go. Holy crap. Thanks, man. Yeah, that's freaking huge, dude. Market turmoil. On live 23 minutes. Thank you, dude. Luna's down 90%. Okay, FTM down 35%. Oh, hey man, you know if you break 88 cents, you're screwed, right? You're probably going to 29.29 cents, and you did that. You've done it. You've respected the TA so hard, man. Words can't put into reason. Because you broke, then you back tested the resistance, and then you collapsed to the next form of support. And it's there, and you bounced off of it marginally, right? You were 27 cents, you're at 34 cents now. You're down a lot more earlier. 222 for 222 likes. Ugh. How about GRT down 35%? Collapsed. Hey man, you're heading on down to 10 cents, which we knew if you broke 28 cents, there's no support till 10 cents. So you're respecting the TA in that regard, where it's all about the levels, man. If you can't hold one level, you go to the next level. If you can't hold that level, you go to the next level. Well, unfortunately, you're running out of levels on GRT. Sorry, General Check. Yeah, get wrecked, man. Just get wrecked. You know, all-time lows incoming for GRT. You pretty much are there, dude. I mean, I don't think on December 18, 2020, anyone knew GRT existed. It just pumped, man. Our initial pump. So lower to go, man. Lower to go. If we go lower, we'll hear a beep, I guess. Been just monitoring it because it's such a meme, you know. Hey, dude, Alice. Remember Alice? Where like, hey, it's probably going to 323. Now it broke 323, and now it's like, okay, I guess it's going down to 11 cents. There's nothing here. This is Alice coin, man. Nothing here, man. Screwed. Literally screwed. Blanc, it was really screwed, dude. It was like 886 and did nothing. It's going to 7/100ths of a penny or something. We got the crypto Stone Age. I think it's given 2018 a run for its money already. Really, man. WRX, we knew where this was going. Oh, it hit the support. Let's go. It hit 23 cents. It's like, you know, we're just in here, you know. It's like, dude, if you're below 67 cents, nothing makes sense until 23 cents. We've done it, man. Jesus chimes for WRX. Doing it, man. It did it, you know. Since it rebroke that support April 8, it's down 67% in 30 days. Over 2% a day. Wow, losses. Yeah, this is happening way faster in 2018. In ways, kind of, yeah. Well, we were already in 2018 technically and didn't quite know it, but the index funds really helped us on the later part. Yeah, for this, to avoid this capitulation stuff. ICX, dude, hey, it played out and underperformed, couldn't break resistance, and now at levels it hasn't seen since January 2021. Not as bad as literally all these other ones, but it's terrible. Terrible stuff. I don't think it stops until 32 cents. That's the next support. Where you are now is a straight down, up, 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 down, up. So it's going to 31 cents eventually if you just wait. Yeah. This is what happens to bullish patterns and bearish trends. It was actually reliable on finding a bottom, but the underperformance was telling the double top. Very bad. How about ICP? Stops, lower high, rolls over. How deep are we? Oh, so the next target's a 1414, right? Where there's nothing here. 1414 is $2.13. You hear me? Yes, $2.13. But sir, we're at $8. We're at $7.91. It doesn't matter what number you're at. That's the next fib node. There's no support. You have 71% more downside till you see the next fib node. I don't believe you, man. Okay. And go ahead and tell me you believe what's been happening every day. How about OXT? Dude, OXT, it is nearing all-time lows. 9.7 cents below 12.56 cents. When you broke 20 cents, you knew you were going to 12 cents. Well, there you are. You're lower than that. Dude, this is like carnage, bro. That's right, the crypto market cap totally touched 3 trillion last year. That's right. Sentiment's dead now. The Luna thing killed it, man. Luna just killed this market, man. Yep, this is a true flush. DGB, it played out, underperformed, and is now at, I mean, the lowest lows of this chart. I'm sure there's more data on other charts, but dude, you're screwed. You just Fibonacci here from the low to high. You haven't even seen a 1272 yet, which is 8.9 tenths of 1 cent, then 5 tenths of 1 cent, and then negative dollars, 1618. So there you go. This is what bear trends do. Hey, I'm surprised that this was reliable enough to give us a bottom for the asset to run up over 100% in like a week, and then it rolled over again. It was over. Yep. Lower highs, lower lows. Lower highs, lower lows. How about sand? Remember we had a big rant on sand saying, hey man, you could easily go to the beach and just have sand. You don't need to own this because it's terrible and it's going for full reset. It's already hit one of the targets, right? The next level where it made any sense was 119. Goes down to a low of 105 today. Probably not done. Probably not done. Probably eventually we'll see 69.80 cents in time. Dude, the metaverse, speaking of metaverse, bro, here's your max criteria butterfly. On its way. Dude, 84.5 cents, but it's going 58 cents. Yeah, it's probably going to 58 cents, chat, alright? Once we get close, you'll hear the beep. Well, I'll hear the beep, I'll maybe tell you about it, but yeah, that's capitulation, man. That's like market flush out. Look, dude, you back tested 283 as resistance. What'd you do from there? You're down 73% in 40 days. Only in crypto. Just kidding. Not anymore. Actually in stocks too, because it's like every day, every single day, man. We got a new earnings report. We got a new 70% downer on the day. Oh yeah, forgot. This was requested by Crypto Hoarder, so I did it. So that's like we've NFT'd that thumbnail. You know, and Gail bought one. There's 4 copies left, I guess. So whatever, it's there. I get it though, man. These are trying, troubling times. Okay. Trying, troubling times. Okay, so it's not just mana that's screwed, it's everything. How about KNC? Did KNC, yeah, look at that. Wow, dude. I mean, KNC is like Enron, dude. I mean, we know Luna's like Enron, but this is like, what? Every day?
Hey Mitch, can we look at Veil please? Any advice when is a good time to invest in for the long term?
Veil is
Thanks.
the stock or the crypto? Is there a crypto called Veil? What do you want? Is it a, just tell me, man. If it's a crypto, I don't think you're truly paying attention here. Like, there's no good time to invest. You gotta wait for this stuff to stop. Then you gotta let it rally. Then you gotta let it sell off again. And then maybe it'll double bottom or something eventually. So this is terrible, man. Like, this is why FOMO is so bad, you know, on something that's an anomaly. Well, they all fall back in line eventually. And this one in 12 days is down 73%. Just wow, dude. Failed to hit an all-time high, by the way, too. January 2018, yikes. 90% retrace. So I guess you're at a demand line. You're at some demand line that takes you all the way back to January 2020, pre-COVID. And there you are, no edge. You're oversold severely. Most oversold you've been since pre-COVID, since July of 2019, dude. Anyone's heads exploded yet? How about Sol? Sol, we were gonna take over the world, man. We were gonna kill Ethereum, and you're at an 88% retrace. You're at $50, right? Remember I said if this didn't get to $50, I would chug 2 beers for free on stream, live? Well, sorry, I don't owe anything, because that's how confident I was that this crap will be going to these levels for deep full resets. If you don't hold $48, you were going to $21 on Sol. Do you understand? That's a 100% retrace. And you can't be surprised. It's Sol, dude. It's SOL. No one cares. People want to eat food, wear t-shirts and pants, and drive to work. They're not concerned with SOL trash, okay? They're not concerned. Yeah, SOL. S out of luck. Absolutely. That's exactly what this stands for now. Yep. SOL. It's okay though. It's not the only one. You know, we're not just tearing up Sol. We gotta tear them all up. Now, well, how about HOT, dude? Well, HOT, if it broke 3.7 tenths of 1 cent, it was going down to 2.6 tenths of 1 cent. Well, you're pretty much there, man. Look, peak from May 2019. Straight up, straight down, straight up. Straight down, straight up. Straight down. Oh my God, it's so unbelievable. Oh wait, it's the most believable thing ever. It's about the levels. It's about the support resistances. How about IOTA? Dude, IOTA was gonna do it. If you break 56 cents, you're most likely going to 23.6 cents. You're almost there. Look, this was like Saturday night stream. If you know, the downside potential, 58%. You're down 50% now. You only need like 8% more before you hit that level. Straight down, straight up, straight down. I mean, straight up, straight down. Over and over and over. It's about the levels, dude. Wow. How about Algo, dude? Oh, it's just gonna make a lower high, and it made a lower high, and it's now made a lower low, and it's hit a major 88% retrace perfectly. It's falling out of that little scrub channel it was in too. Hilarious, right? We should have known. How could we have seen this coming? It's below 49.7 cents too. Really, really bad. Like, I think that if it stays below 49.7 cents long enough, minimum 22 cents in time. And that's just that one low from November 6th of 2020. Oh, I tweeted about Apple. When the party ends on Apple, or something. What did I say? When, I think it's when the Apple, I don't know, man. What did I say? about Apple, because we knew it confirmed distribution. We looked at it yesterday. When it confirms distribution, it's over. Yeah, I said when the Apple party ends, look out stocks. Right? 47 likes, by the way. God. Hold on. All my inputs got screwed every time I update my drivers, man. Super annoying. Healer. God. Too many sources, man. Too many sources for this crap. I guess I'm screwed. Oh, there it is. There it is. Okay. Here it is. When the Apple party ends, look out stonks. There it was, man. There it was. Oh my God. It was so close to getting wrecked. Look, confirmation of distribution on Apple. Let's just go to it. And chat, I mean, I'm sorry, but it's just, it's.
You see what happens, Larry?
See what happens, Larry, when you do this. The party's over. Party's over. Down almost 5% today. Going to 145, then 137.82 after that. After you break 137.82, it's time to panic because we're screwed. Yeah, been a long time coming, man. Shiba Inu down 50%. I'm so surprised. I can't believe this news. Yep, Apple wrecks. I'm sure there are many others, but we just been looking at all these cryptos, man. Just manic, man. You talk about head and shoulders, knees and toes. What's below knees and toes? Nothing. Underground. Yeah, I guess that would make sense. After knees and toes, it's graveyard underground. Yeah, you're at 69.4 cents. Once you break this level, you'll go down to 43 cents. Collapsing. It's down 21% and hanging on by a thread before it marks down another ungodly amount, which we would say, let's just say a cool 35 to 40% downside from here if it breaks this 69 cents. How about ONT that we knew was screwed because of its terrible performance, and then the Momo shift? Like, this is going to see much lower prices. 21 cents is the target. I think you're gonna see it. Right, 21 cents is your target. Right, we were discussing before this broke down, and the downside potential on this is 50%. We had a lot of 50%ers, 50% downside on all these assets, and they're down almost at those levels already so fast. Yep. You had your relief bounce. The relief bounce was late January all the way to late April. That was your relief bounce. That was it. Seriously. Just re-engaging the trend's direction. All day, man. Oh, Engine Coin heading on down to the 113. Oh, dude, it broke the support. Oh, God. Dude, you're talking like next real support. Probably 23 cents. That lines up with the 113 there. Really, really bad. All right, support's broken and a lot more downside still. What about Atom, dude? Atom. Well, once this thing broke 26 cents, you're out. You're done with this crap forever below 26 cents. Since it broke that 26 cent area, the asset at its lowest point, 64% in 30 days. On its way, man, to at least 738.50. I think it's going to go there. But if it doesn't hold 730, then it'll see a 1618 at 480-ish. Luna looking promising. What kind of drugs are you on, Agent J? You smoking Jay is too much. Luna looking promising, by the way. Yeah, dude. Only if you're like on major drugs. Look at Theta, dude. Theta chat. Well, at 240 was 158. You've already broken 158. Yikes, dude. Big yikes, man. Talking like minimum 79, let's say 80 cents, right? That high from October 2020. That's where you're headed. So, like, from where you are literally right now on Theta, the downside potential is still 43%. It's awful, dude. Literally awful. Yeah, so see at much lower price, see at 80 cents. Chat eventually. Yeah, bear trend continues. How about Doge? Oh yeah. Who could have seen this coming, man? At 12 cents, we were calling 6 cents because of this, and it got to 7 cents. So we were a penny off, but it's hitting a level. It's a good candle high close back from February 9th, and Bitcoin rallied and is kind of rallying now. I mean, this is like what happens at these critical inflection points. You keep getting wicks down, you keep getting people FOMOing into shorts, and they're getting punished.
$36.93.
So, Refined Hayseed Appalachian, thank you so much for the $36.93 super chat. That's a very random number. Surprised you could get that through super chat. Thank you for 369. Dang girl, fine. Is that what you're talking about? Talk it to me one more time. Dogecoin. Okay, so you're at 8.8 cents, down 18.67%. Miserable downtrend, lower highs, lower lows, unstoppable. How about Neo, dude? Neo broke 13.93. Well, we knew that was the target, but if you ever broke that, you're probably going to 5.49. I think you could very well still see 5.49 in time. There's still so much downside on this asset. There's no support. ZRX, we knew that was, I mean, dude, it was up here. It was literally 70 cents on Saturday night. It's like, dude, this thing's going to 44 cents. It's at 40 cents now. It's at 37 cents at its lowest point. My God. Yeah, just sitting there after confirmed the top. Dude, bearish. And now you're at these levels. If you ever break 35 cents, it's over. You're going to 16 cents. You'll lose over half your value. Fast. Like Talladega Nights fast, man. Storage screwed, right? Storage, if you fall below 64 cents, you're going to 28 cents. I think you're going to 28 cents, chat, in time. Hey, it's August kid, man. Halliburton had been unbelievable, man. So bullish for so long. He's been going parabolic, dude. I'll wait for it. BlackRock and the Citadel doing this to Luna. Yeah, someone did it. Someone with huge pockets did it, man. And now they're talking about regulation. Oh, this is going to kill crypto sentiment for a long time. Maybe that was the plan. Let's go, dude. Force drink, force damn leather belt. Thank you, dude, for the 100 super chat. We'll look at how. Yeah. Hello? TTS not working. Okay, that's weird. Really weird. We'll go to how the Get Wrecked Storage. See you at 28 cents eventually. Unless a miracle happens on the stock market. Hey, look at that. Hey, UST is up to 69.5 cents. We're saved, chat. We're safe. We did it. I mean, it topped out. It made sense where it topped out at, dude. For real.
Mitch, hold me close. This hurts. Tell me something positive. Is this a sale? You the real Jesus Monday.
What's up, Texas sports fan? I'll tell you something positive. Hey, we're all in this together, man. We're all market participants, so that's good. And you're alive. Hopefully you have your health. If you don't, I'm sorry. Try to get your health back. And I'll tell you one thing that's positive to me. These index funds, the way they were looking helped me allocate properly to where I'm taking on like no losses from any of these crashes, these dumps, man. None of them. I'm like, right? And I think there are probably a lot of other people that took heed of what the Category 5 hurricane that was developing in the Atlantic, reading the newspaper every day, which would be watching the stream or someone else's stream that's in the know on pattern development and lower highs and lower lows and what was really happening and all the other underlying fundamental issues, right? I think that's a positive takeaway from it. But hey, man, all the boring times, probably really good now. The boring times, there's a lot of stuff being screamed in here about like what could be coming if we don't hold 40K, we don't hold 30,000 on Ethereum, we don't hold 45 on the S&P 500. So that's the positive, dude. The real positive. And in bear markets, really smart people say the real winners are the ones that don't lose. Yep, in bear markets like this, yep, I think that's the case. No losses is certainly winning. So Halliburton hit that $41 area, which is a peak going back to 2006, 2007. I've been on this chart forever. And you're just hanging out after topping out. You did make a lower high. I don't know if that is that like a left shoulder head, right shoulder. You're still showing that hidden bullish divergence barely. It's certainly not a value area. This thing's been running really well. Love it. I would say you got to cut off. You got to get cut off at $32 because then you're going to $27. But you're just kind of that'd be looking. That's where you're looking for the lowest risk, I guess, in a range is 32, 43. I mean, the hidden divergence is still there, but I don't know how much further the energy stocks are gonna keep going. I mean, like eventually in real recessions, commodities collapse, and then everything tied to energy collapses too, which could still be oil. It's been a really nice run, man. So I can tell you there's some hidden bullish divergence on the daily, a little bit of it. I can tell you the levels that are critical, 32 and 41. And if you fall below 32, you don't want to be in it because it's probably going to $27. But even at that point, it's still making a higher low than previous lows. So it's still just in a really nice uptrend, you know. So try to spring clean real quick. Spring clean for the May Queen, right? Which probably just a really nice channel. I haven't see, it was like breaking that top trend line there. So how is it like this? It used to be like that, and then it below it. Yeah, you had like 1 and 2 on the bottom, 1 on the top, 2 on the top. Then you fell out a couple times. Yeah, you're just whipsawing. So you're back in the channel. You even rejected. You were back tested that channel as resistance filled a gap, and you're just back. Kind of the heart line, it seems. So, yeah, man, mixed feelings. Very bullish trend, undeniable higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows. But you just came off the highest high of the run, and you pulled back, and there might be an edge here. You know. So thank you, ArcScan, man. As we see Bitcoin fall right back below 30,000 like it was nothing, down 3.5%, $1,100. We can keep it going on these S coins. DOT. Oh, you know, if you can't get back above 20 bucks, you're going to $10. You hear me? If you can't get back above $20, then you lose 50% of your value. Well, you've broken $10, and now you're on your way to $668. This is an apocalypse for cryptos. This is an altcoin apocalypse going on in its own right. Confirmation of distribution in April, and look at you now. The lowest price you've seen since January 2021. And I don't think you're done. I think you got a little bit lower to go, which is about 33% more downside. How about VeChain? Well, it did okay, and then now it's we knew it's screwed, you know. Below 5 cents, it's done. And soon to see 2.7 cents, the high from 2018. If you don't hold that, you go to 2 cents. Below that is, you don't even want to know, less than a penny. All right. Yeah, less than a penny below 2 cents. Bear trend continues, man.
V-Chain doing things.
The Schwab tip $25. Appreciate the afternoon update. Could you take a look at PFE on the daily and weekly, please?
How ironic, Schwab, that you tip 25 when I'm looking literally at VeChain. It triggers a Belushi and says VeChain doing things. Wow. It's Mama Ivy, oh my god! Vote for me, Mama Ivy! Dang, dude, did you just one up, double down? No, you didn't.
Mama Ivy tip $223. Hex weekly / daily thanks RT Smile.
Alright, yeah, look at Hex, dude. Wow. The blatant one up of First Session Top Jesus, alright? That's Alabama's governor. She's coming in. I got the governor in my pockets here. Let's go. Yeah, we'll look at Hex. Hex weekly, daily. Yep. Roll Tide as well, yes. But PFE, we gotta look at that first. Because it was right before you. Oh, we gotta look at Veil too. Sorry, we got a couple things to look at, man, okay?
Bow to your sensei. Bow to your sensei.
Veil, I know that's a stock. Don't tell me it's an S coin or I'll lose my mind. Good, it doesn't look like it is really an S coin. Alright. It's the Veil. It's the Veil. That really... I don't like that lower high. I don't like the look of that rectangle. You've run up, made the lower high, and now you're rolling over again. You're below the 200-day moving average. Trying to break below key levels. It seems, I think, like the major level though is down at like 1243. You're probably going there in time. And how could that make sense? Because it's like a deep reset from that previous low to high, right? X, A, B, C, D down there. That I would wait. There's no edge. I would like literally be waiting till 1243. I wouldn't do anything else. Okay. I don't like the fact that you made the highest high of the rally, then you had a massive rollover, then you rallied and you made the lower high, confirming distribution, confirming what was once a resistance on this chart is resistance again. I never come to this chart, so this is all this stuff's developed. Yeah, so I think 1243 in time on Veil. No action to take right now, dude. All right, PFE. It's actually not bad, dude. Wow. Pfizer. Freaking Pfizer. Interesting looking chart here, okay? Let me go back, man. Oh my god. Dude, Pfizer. Look at this. 1999, 2000 levels, right? Wow. Look what you're doing. You've been in a parabolic uptrend since the COVID crash, right? I mean, yeah, dude. They're like... BlackRock owns 20% of them, and they also own 20% of the media companies. So it's kind of just like, I think you're good. This is insane right here. You forget this parabolic uptrend and just look at the nice shark cipher, which is like a back test of spring of the old levels as support. That's pretty much incredible. That's a really nice request too. You're back. You're trying to get back up with the 200-day moving average. I mean, I could imagine the targets, $59, $60. This is an uptrend. I do get though, you made a lower high here in the previous side. That's okay. You don't want anything to do with this asset when it falls below $46, right? You're out. You're done. But man, if this plays out, I mean, there's upside. There's nice upside. From where you are now to probably the you got 19, 20% upside from here. It's actually really good. Wow, I'm actually impressed, right, dude? That's you sprung back above these levels, and then you're now back testing them as support. That's really, really good for now, until that fails, and you're screwed. So yeah, very bullish here. At least I would say it's lower risk for a long, even though the macro sucks. Crazy. That's when Schwab. And yeah, it would chug at some point. Beautiful, man. I can't even, I haven't seen a chart that looks this good. All right, some sliced bread. Beautiful, dude. See what happens. Could moon soon. The way it looks. Wow. Okay. Hex weekly, daily. Yep, Hex, man. It's been getting wrecked like everything else. Something's going on. Yeah, it's still not making lower lows yet, though. It really isn't dead yet. It's not dead until it makes a lower low than its previous low from April 11th, which is around 11.8, 11 cents. Yeah, I mean, that's it, dude. Like, it still could be trying to make its third low, and that would be a classic accumulation structure, but you haven't really pivoted. You're up and you're down. That's not a pivot yet. You need some up now. We need to get back above 15 cents, hold it, and start rallying. And you start rallying towards that confirmation line around 20 cents. That's when you know 1, 2, 3, rule of 3 resolution, and it could be marking up to 33 cents. So we're in a really, and what are you talking about, man? I'm just, okay. I'm just talking about this, that it could end up being this. But it would really, really be nice to get macro turnaround. Just talking about this, right? One valley, peak, two valleys, peak, third valley. We're working on that, man. This is the confirmation line, okay? One valley, two valleys, three valleys, hopefully. One peak, a second peak. That's confirmation line. You get it? So that's where we are. I'm hoping, though I don't know, because you haven't really pivoted. It's hard to pivot in these market conditions where crypto is collapsing. This one still hasn't made a lower low yet. Weekly, you're showing positive momentum. You're above, 14.7 cents. I think that's really important. You gotta hold. I want to see this hold on the weekly, man. It's the candlelight close on July 12th. You need to hold this, man. And I want to see you get back above the supply line to try to break out of. I mean, you got work to do, man. You were in better shape. Now you're not as much in good shape, but it's still not dead yet. Like all these other cryptos, they're dead. There's not even a chance. At least there's hopium to smoke on Hex. A little bit. Not much. Just a small amount. That's all I can tell you about Hex. Thank you, Mama Ivy. Give me one more valley, so then 33 cents. And unbelievable. I can't believe it did it while this is all happening. No way. That is certainly not a bear flag. No, it's not. Okay, so those were the requests. I think we got through them. Yeah. If you're enjoying the live stream, the coverage of this crash, hit that like button, that bell, that sub. Thanks for being here. Wish we were here under better circumstances, but what are you gonna do, man, right? What you gonna do? Is Double down here? Does he know what just happened? Okay. That was Hex. Let's look at Monero. Big yikes. This is back at the support where the entry of the trade set up. Trader's market. You got to take profit because this can happen. Yeah, dude. You're the bottom. I don't know if it's going to hold up now. Right? And once you break that, you're in a lot of trouble. You go down to 120. If you break 120, you go to $40. So you just better be careful. You're at critical levels. You haven't made a lower low yet. You're fine. Fine like a fruit fly is fine. Still it supports. Yikes, dude. Big yikes. How about YFI? Well on its way. Target 7,500 in time. 8,000, whatever. You'll be there. Once, assuming, like, if the index funds recover and there's a miracle, and of course the shorts have to be squeezed, this has to draw out. Yeah, it'll maybe take a little bit longer to get to 7,500. Yeah, sure, because everything's beholden to the Qs, the NASDAQ, the S&P. Very, see, you weren't here, I guess, when same bullish stuff was happening to Hex when Bitcoin was collapsing from like 65K to 30K, and Hex went parabolic. And we've never seen something like that really happen. And now it's holding support. And here's the thing, like, do you understand? Like, if it falls below 11 cents, that's like, you're out. You stop loss, it's not a big deal. Okay? That's okay. See, I think people just like forget that there's something called stop losses involved, which you should have been stopped out of literally everything in crypto a long time ago. You should have been. But this one's different. This one's literally different. And you know, there's a trade set up at 8 cents or something, and from there it went all the way up to 50 cents. So yeah, it could very well roll over, man. But until it makes a lower low locally, which it could, you have to say interesting. Cautiously optimistic until we break 11 cents, and then it's over. Yeah, then you lose 45% of your value very fast. You get to 7 cents, 6.7 cents. Sure thing, man. So why is it making consecutive higher lows and everything else isn't? Well, maybe it's doing the exact same thing it did where it inverse correlated everything. Maybe it does it again. Maybe it doesn't, and that's okay. It's outperforming like everything now. Wheat did okay. Oh hey, nice. What's happening to Luna? Dude, Luna's a buy. Someone like literally said that a minute ago. Where was it? Dude.
Wheat to be.
Luna, dude, it's a buy, man. Wheat. I'm just talking about wheat, right? Like that's literally, yeah, the Takurium wheat fund. Yep. Yeah, Moon. Yeah, we already looked at wheat today. Inverse head and shoulders around the spot, but yeah, this thing's insane. This thing's crazy. Reaccumulating. Probably just gonna head on up to 1230 again. Yep, we're gonna head up there. Probably retest it. Look at that. I mean, that's it, dude. There's not really any resistance. I guess there's a little, like, there's a peak from at 1150. But yeah, dude, this thing's insane. Where it got to in 2012, 2580. Yeah, what a run, man. Unstoppable beast going on. And it was a beautiful Wyckoff accumulation range too. Jumped across the creek, back tested the creek. And that was it, man. Well, just beautiful, dude. Very nice. Yeah, Squirrely Crypto was talking about going long on Luna because it was good, man. Swing trader's dream, by the way. Yeah, right. Scam. There it is, 140. Zero. Let's go to zero, man, on stream. Dude, I can't take it, man. I can't take it. It's too much drama on the trumpet, dude. All right, man. How low we going? How low we gonna go? That alert right below the, the lowest low. See what happens. Dude, it was gonna do it, man. Okay. So, hey, man. Justin, Sun. Yep, you couldn't do it, dude. Like, hey, we were gonna do it, and then you couldn't break 8.4 cents. Then the market collapsed, and Justin Sun saw his price tank to 6 cents earlier. Yeah, nothing's really safe. If you can't break 8 cents, you're done. Like, if you fail that, I mean, you could be going to 5 cents anytime. If you ever broke 8 cents, you could be going to 12 cents. But just how do you do that in these market conditions? They're terrible. They're terrible. Justin Sun buying US dollar or US Tether, or whatever, the UST. He like said that. It's like, who would want to buy his crap, dude? Justin Sun, man, just he got a lot of money somehow, creating a trash coin that's done really nothing. Okay, but it's still like, right? It's not making lower lows yet. Like many others are making lower lows. This isn't making lower lows yet. It's reality. So good for it. How about YFII? Well, it's so destroyed that it can't get much worse, right? It's been devastated already. Got as low as 873 today or something. It hit all-time lows today, and it's just hanging on by a thread. If the market continues to mark down, look out, you're dead on YFII. BK, well, yeah, and good luck, dude. I will buy UST. I maybe have plan. Nice plan, dude. Really worked out for you. Okay, you know, there's stocks that are down a lot, double-digit percentage points. Look at Square or Block Incorporated. Nice name change, dude. Really, really helped things out. You're headed to $60. You're headed to literally $60. Yep. You're down 15% today, and you got more to go. You got another 10% to drop minimum, right? Oh my God, I'm sorry. You got another probably 17% of value to lose on Square because nothing makes sense. Up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Get right, Kathy. How about Carvana? Carvana destroyed. Literally 98+% retrace from the COVID crash low. Now testing a formal support from January 2019. Below that, I guess you could say $24, man. Then after that, $12, dudes. Hey, you filled the gap, chat. Jesus challenge for the gap fill on Carvana. Hey. Collapsed. This is 2000 reborn, 2000 2.0. Luna was part of the Enron thing, okay? The WorldCom. Yeah, back to reality for sure. Carvana, dude. We buy cars at high prices and then we sell them at really high prices and destroyed. $374. You're not gonna see that anytime soon. You may never see it again, dude. What about Farfetch, dude? Oh my God, look. Farfetched back to the October 2019 levels. Actually breaking it as I'm speaking to you. You've broken it. You're at session lows right now. Hey, there's a gap. Chat, there's a gap. Is it gonna fill that gap? Probably. I mean, I would say certainly. I'm gonna go out and be very arrogant and say this is certainly gonna be a gap that fills at $7.04. Yes. Yes. Call me when it happens. Alert me. Alert me to the gap fill at $7 on Farfetch Limited. What a scam. It was gonna change the world though. Myovant Sciences Limited breaking a little down-sloping demand line, and it's back above it, I guess, but probably going to 663 from here in time. Just straight down, straight up, down, up, down. I'll see it 663 eventually for the full-on bubble pop. Yep, nice. How about Clovis? Oh, we all know Clovis, chat. All-time lows, down 11% today. Routed, bankruptcy incoming. Jeez. Yeah, Upstart is at, yeah, it's, oh dude, you wanna see Upstart? It's down like 50% on earnings and just continuing to plummet, dude. Look at this. Yep, all time lows. We got an alert set up when that happens. Oh my God, Tron's got a mining project. They just reached out. Hey, would you want to be an influencer for our trash? Yeah, dude, great time. Yeah, so there you go, man. There you go. $28, down 16% plus. About Workhorse. And those horses were gonna work, I was told, man. I was told. Remember that bullish Gartley that took you to Kingdom Come? That will be done on Earth as it is in heaven. Well, you're back to Earth. You were in heaven, and now you're back to Earth. And I don't think you're done. And you'll probably eventually go to 82 cents again on this crap. Yep. God, so perfect. So Bitcoin, about an hour and 4 minutes to your 4-hour close. $29,800, below 30K, and just hanging out. Probably only rallying a little bit just because of the index fund's not completely collapsing. All right, SunPower Corporation, chat. You're in a lot of trouble here. Lots and lots of trouble. Just a lot of straight downs, ups, downs, ups, downs, ups. Why not down again? You will go down. SunPower gonna go see the 886. It's almost certain, dude. From the low to the high. The 886 is $9, $8.92 to $7.68. That's where you're going next. There's no debate here. This thing's done. And we'll collapse more. If you haven't seen what's happening, we are in a recession. 44%
Hey, Mitch.
downside.
Hi from Ukraine. I think I moved at the wrong time. Hope all is well.
Sobolewski, you're in Ukraine. You moved at the wrong time. I'm confused. Did you move there before the war? Well, you're there, so buckle up, buckaroo. You using Skynet? Not Skynet, sorry. What is it? Elon's SpaceX, Starlink, not Skynet. Sorry, that's bad. Thank you, dude. Yes, Starlink. I understand. Be careful out there. Okay, we can keep going. Wow, dude. Wow, all-time lows on NVTA. Invitae Corporation. What a loser, dude. And it all ended like this. Wow, dude. It was beautiful. Little did we know. Hey, this is like Luna in slow motion, kind of, right? Luna in slow motion on NVTA. Rug. That means the slow rug. Again, all-time lows. Today, 11% down and going low. Who knows? Could go to 0, dude. Sunrun, Solar Stocks just destroyed, dude. See you at 1648. No debate. No debate. No debate. 1648. If you ever break that, buy. Probably going to $9. Bear trend reconfirmed with the lower low, and much lower to go. But IQ, Chinese S stock, wants to go to all-time lows again. It's going to the pennies, man. There's no limit on this downside here, chat. IQ, super low IQ. Now, whoa, chill, Angel. Don't generalize. Don't generalize. What you doing? Party City, man. Party literally over for the entire market. I mean, pretty much at its lowest price since July 2020 or June 2020. Yeah, we'll see you at COVID crash lows. Yeah, why not? I'll see you at 25 cents in time. Dude, it's Party City. It was going to change the world. It was going to change the world. You should have just given them more chances, dude. They should have had more chances. Seriously, dude. Back in 2015, that's where all the partying was, right? $22. Now I got 120. There are bad investments, and Party City was one of them. All right. Thanks for the Telegraph, though, that letting us know how screwed it was. What is it? Stitch Fix. Oh my God, man. Party is over. Going to 0. You're at 748. You've never seen these levels in human history, and it's probably not going to stop till $5. Right? There's nothing that makes any sense till $5 psychological level. That's it, dude. We have literal collapses going on everywhere. Bro, I mean, how long is this song? God, hurts my eardrums. All right, Signature Bank was so signature. Why? Because it had the most incredible Head and Shoulders, maybe one of the best ones I've ever seen, kind of. It actually wasn't as good as Luna, but this is perfect, man. Literally perfect. Just see this, man. Just look at this. Watch, like SBY. Okay, so this was March 4th at Everyone. If you're a patron, this was Signature Bank with a reversal pattern completely developed. It's like, wow, here it is. After, before. It was there, man. It was literally there. You don't know if it's going to play out of the time, but you identify it and you're like, sweet mother of Jesus, this could be really bad and really, really bad. Look where you're at your lowest lows since you're filling a gap from February of 2021. It hasn't even happened yet. Look at this. Here's your gap fill. You'll test it, 195. You're coming for it. You're going for it. Measure move already exceeded, I think. It's a tall pattern, too. That's pretty close to being completely fulfilled. From the breakout, yeah, definitely. Look at that. It's like it did it today. It hit the measured move today, chat. So, Jesus chimes for SPNY being amazing. In a very bearish way, unfortunately, but hey, whatever. It's stuff that can protect you too. You know? Oh, I see this coming. Wow, you see what's developing. It's bad. The bad news for SBNY is there is no support. It shouldn't stop selling till 163. So even from here, maybe you fill the gap, you hold it for a couple days, whatever. There's still 18% downside on SBNY. Unreal. It's just crazy. Market collapsing. Okay, and we got Luna right there at 130 on its way to supports, quote unquote. Yeah. Who cares how you okay? You think that's actually gonna do anything? It's beyond meat, dude. Beyond meat. What a joke. Beyond Meat's probably gonna do as well as Shake Shack. Shake Shack. Probably headed to 38.69, man. Yep, you're on your way to the 886. Dude, it's a bet, man. It's a bet on Shaq. Wow, the 886 is 42.76. It's upon you. You will be soon testing that 886. You're about to. You virtually have. Bubble popped. Bubble popped. Let's go. What about the triple D's, man? It's a bat. It's a bullish bat or whatever. You know, you're soon to be hitting supports finally. The bubble popped. This is what happens. Straight up, straight down, straight up, straight down, straight up, straight down. Unbelievable, isn't it? Don't know how much you can trust the bat. That would need like a lot of time. You know, like a double bottom, massive weekly bullish divergence, things like that. All right. I'm getting kind of bored looking at all this devastation, all these things that make all this sense. Rite Aid when it looked okay, and then it's like, nah, you're gonna just make all-time lows. You're at your lows from September 2019, and you're most likely heading to the global financial crisis nadir, which was like $4. I think that's where you're going in time. Rite Aid going to the same price it was at in 2008. That should tell you where we are. All day, I could just look at all this crap, man. Take a look at Netflix. Netflix, dude. Oh, we got the last good part Netflix ever saw. A textbook bullish Garley with a type 2 return, and it went insane. And that was it. One last hurrah, and you're at the lowest price you've seen every day. A gap fill. You already filled the gap kind of back in 2017, but that's where you're headed. Look at this chart, man. Netflix, look at that. Session lows right now as I'm talking to you. Fedcoin, yeah, at some point, not yet. We're still in free fall mode. Still in free fall mode, dude. All right. Going back to Apple, that is also at session lows, down 5.38%. Look at it, chat. You're right there. Head to 145. See what that high from January 2021. You'll be there. You break that, 137.82. The party's over. The uptrend has been breached. The demand line that has been attacked since September of 2020 is breached now. Okay, but Live Nation, dude, it was gonna do things. Someone was like, should I go long on this? Like, dude, you better look out. You're about to get destroyed and destroyed. Right? This was I think that was just it, man. That was like the all-time highs. Like, this bubble's popping. You're probably going to $76. I mean, I think I would lose my mind if you're not going to $76 soon. Live Nation. Okay? Way more downside. This thing's over, dude. Confirmed distribution. Broke a channel, a really well developed and established channel. It's over, dude. You just sell when that breaks at 110. You save yourself a good old, save yourself 23%, probably more. Yeah. Don't be catching falling knives, man. You'll get destroyed. Speaking of destroyed, look at Weight Watchers. Weight Watchers, chat, at the lowest price it's seen since 2015. Oh no, dude. If Weight Watchers goes out of business, the obese people win. All right, 683. On your way. You'll be there. You will fill that gap. It's almost a certainty, dude. Collapse is happening. Support's broken. There's nothing else to do but continue to collapse until there's demand. And who's gonna buy Weight Watchers? Looking at this chart, no one, no bot, no algorithm's gonna buy this crap till a minimum of 683, and that probably won't even hold, because guess what, chat? There's another gap. There's another gap on Weight Watchers all the way down at 447. So someone tell grandma she needs to buy more of the Weight Watchers shakes. Keep them in business. MicroStrategy, let's just run to that real quick. Why not, dude? It's just like, oh my god. Oh man, see at 129, right? When you break 226, well, when you break 344, you get at 226. When you break 226, you're screwed. You're going to 130. You'll be there. You will be there soon. And then after that, you get a 78. Then you get a $4 probably. The bubble has popped. Michael Saylor is literally screwed. That's why the NFT exists, man. Wow. Bear pole, bear flag, measured move. Oh no, dude. Yeah, he gets liquidated at 4K. All right, dude. Yeah. Luna, 4-hour lows, power hour kind of ish. Every 4-hour candle, every last 60 minutes of 4-hour candle right now is power hour. Okay, so we're in it for Luna as it's continuing to plummet. $1.22. Looks like it's headed for sub $1 soon. Sub $1 soon. Dude, sorry, there's like a siren. Oh, Corey, yeah. Imagine being so low IQ, you don't know what a stop loss is, right? You don't know what probabilities are. Like, yeah, if you're low IQ, like Corey, and you're mad about me saying something looks like pretty good, momentum shifting on it. But yeah, if you fall below this level, you're out. It's over. That's a failed idea. Then that's it. You took on minimal losses and whatever. But yeah, if you're, again, like you're mad about it, like, get wrecked, dude. Why don't you go live stream? Oh wait, no one would ever listen to you. Yeah, and early. Go all in, by the way. Only you would say that because you're an idiot. Because literally, I've never said that ever for anything. Oh my god. You know what's about to fall off a cliff? Like, oh my god. You know what's about to literally die? Microchip. That's it. Microchip is about to go to $52. Well, maybe 56. Just going with that high from June of 2018. This is done, dude. Like, these things are like this is about to collapse. This is about to go down 20% value. I don't know what day. It's coming, dude. Distributions confirmed. Below the 200-day moving average, there's nothing left to do but mark down to create demand. We must see demand. Where's demand? Normally at the next levels that make sense, where there is support resistance. That's a long way down. There's a gap fill on microchip at $59. Okay, I'll see at much lower prices. This is terrible. Oh, look where you are on the daily RSI. You're at 45. There's so much downside potential on this. You can have one could be short on this, and one could just have a stop loss of $71, right? $71, right? Because we don't know, but we know it's a level that's very critical, just like on Atom or anything else. What if it rallies? You get stopped out, you take on minimal losses, and you move on with your day and you find something else, right? But if you kind of have an aptitude and understand what technical analysis really is about the levels, this is below critical levels. The downside potential is massive. So one can make a lot of money shorting it if this is really happening. The technical breakdown's occurring. We're below it. You just haven't rolled over yet, which you will. You will roll over. Classic distribution going on with confirmation. The target's $52 to $55. That's it. It's bad. One hot. Look, I mean, it's almost like this, dude. You can like clearly see the same stuff going on that we saw in others that have already played out. You know, it's just like head and shoulder stuff, you know, like, wow, crazy. Crazy. And go figure, Luna's still at like its lows of this 4-hour candle pretty much.
Gentlemen, in the mix.
Oh my god. Didn't this one report earnings yesterday or something? Unity Biotech? Maybe not. It's terrible though. It's like it's going for all-time lows, 50 cents maybe, I guess. You know, 74 cents. There's nothing here. It's just terrible. How about Facebook? Bro, Facebook. It was all over when it confirmed distribution up here. But then earnings destroyed it. And now lower highs. Now below 195. Dude, below 195, right? Straight up, straight down, straight up, straight down, straight up, straight down, straight down, straight up. Okay, so 150 is the target on Facebook. 150 is the target from here. You're at 190. So the downside potential is massive. 20%, 21% downside on Facebook. Okay, we'll see it at much lower prices. Unless a miracle happens. You know, they've happened before. They're very rare. Okay, Luna. Luna crash watch party. Deja vu. How about PayPal? PayPal sitting at that October 2018 level. I mean, it's really starting to get to scary levels. Like, you break $72, man, on PayPal, you go to $42. This is like you have now over 100% dropped from the COVID crash. You're now lower than you were at the worst part of the COVID crash. You're lower than that now. Nice bear flag, by the way. Jesus, what a measured move, too. Wow.
After all this altcoin carnage blows over, Bitcoin is still safe, right?
One Bitcoin equals one Bitcoin. One Bitcoin, as far as I'm concerned, is still individual sovereignty, right? So, I mean, do you really care about Bitcoin, or did you truly care about the value of Bitcoin and its price? Because it's 100% correlated to the NASDAQ, the index funds. So that should tell you where you're probably going. Or like, I think we're in the glass half empty situation on the 30K here, which we're below 30K right now. So, but hey, man, miracles happen. I can't even get another coffee because I have to descale my freaking appliance. It doesn't let you make any more coffee, or you can't override it. All right, 121.6, still at the lowest levels of this 4-hour candle and dropping back to sub $1. Perfect stuff here. This is another one, massive downside. Taylor Morrison Home Corporation, massive downside below $27. Massive. Like, I would think $15 eventually. Not even, dude, classic distribution happening. And now you're below the most important inflection point on this effing chart till $15. This is also something where one could just be short on it and they stop themselves out a little above $28 somewhere. And they let it ride. They let it ride all the way down. Like, what does it do when it gets below this level? Straight down, straight up, straight down, straight up, straight down, right? So what could go straight down again? These market conditions, it very well could. We already talked about this one. TMHC, bad. $115 on Luna and falling, continuing to dump, man. Can't stop, won't stop. You can talk about other things that are screwed too. My God, Darden restaurants. Look at this, man. This thing's probably not going to stop till $95. I mean, that's kind of a support. Dude, $95 here. It's where this thing's going. Look at the momentum shifted, man. You don't have to do it head and shoulders. It's just like this, dude. You clearly just round it out, and lower highs, lower lows, lower, and now breaking critical levels. And there's up, down, up, down, up. Okay, down. $95 is your target here on DRI. You get me? Understand where these things are going? You understand how the index funds, we're looking at some of these, how the index funds could continue to crash because of things like this. TMHC, the ones that are like, whoa, they're still kind of actionable for shorts that are a little strategic, close to inflection points that they're slightly below. There's so much downside on these. So much downside. Where at the same time, there's some that there isn't as much downside. Just saying things kind of like, remember Shopify was going to change the world? It got to $1,700. Now it's at $320. And it's about to be eclipsing 100% retrace from the COVID crash nadir, the low point, right? 287 would be next after that. And then below that, it's like Square. It's like PayPal. It's like once you break these last levels, this thing goes from 287 to 174 and won't sneeze probably, right? Below that 287 area is more downside. How much more downside? 40% downside from there. Straight line up, literally straight line down. Yeah. Dang, man. How long have I been live? God, going through these sets like candy. Hey, it's Crypto Order, man. He's just in this now. He's all over the place today. Wow, so you sound like you're one of these assets. These are all over the place today too. But just kidding, they're all down. Like we're just witnessing 2000. This is 2000 reborn. Right? We got our own Enrons. Right? BitConnects, whatever. It's the BitConnect Enron connection. The WorldComs. Not the Qualcomms though, but hey, Qualcomm down also. Speaking of the Qualcomm, right? When it was rolling over, when you saw that weakness, it's done. You're probably going to 124. Once 124 breaks, oh, forget about a gap fill. Probably going to $94. Yeah, man. Just, you can't be long. You can't be bullish. Dude, SNPS, still short on this. Yep, still waiting, man. Till 229 might cover, Look at this thing. Like, just ridiculous. Has to end, man. It's ending. It's in the next target. Dude, you still got... I've been really patient on this one. You still got another 12% down, 13% downside for the next actual maybe kind of a support. And then, shoot, dude. Very, very long way down. Ford fell below that level. When you fall below $18, $17, you're out. You're done. Because there's nothing till 883 now. Nothing. That's probably where you're headed. You're probably going to $8.83. And they've now stopped taking orders for brand new F-150s now. Right? The most popular truck in the United States, probably North America. They are not taking new orders for that truck. That came out yesterday. That can't be good. Like, forward looking, everything, everything's looking forward looking. Looking at these charts, that's not good. That they're just not taking any more new orders. Wow. What about oh my God, Qorvo, dudes. The double top and the collapse, and you've broken in. That's not even real formal support there. You are headed to $88 from here. Yes, $88. So what is that? Another 14% downside before anything even makes sense, dude. Buckle up. Total, it's TOTAL. How about Amazon? Down 3%. Oh my God. Oh my God. Heading on down. 2030, 2047. The only thing that made any sense at all is upon you. If you don't hold that, then you go down to $1,600, $1,677. So wrecked indeed. Well, this is consumer sentiment. Look what you did. You confirmed distribution. One high, no one knows. Second high, everyone knows. Start rolling over. Oh my God, dude. Just bad. You even back tested 2887 as resistance before reporting earnings. That's hilarious. All right. No edge. Nothing to do but just stare at it and be like, wow. Straight up, straight down. Straight up, straight down. Pin Gaming. If you broke $36, remember, someone requested this. When you break $36, you go to $17.72. That's the target. That is certainly the target here. You're going to $17.72 from here. How much downside is that? That's like 40% downside from here. Still. It's so believable because that's historically all it does is up, down, straight up, straight down. Up, down, up, down, up, and down. See you at 1772. I think, again, you now understand maybe how the S&P and the Dow Jones, Russell 2000 could go way lower. We're staring at all the individual assets that comprise those, and they have 40%, 30%, 50% more downside on all of them because they're all breaking critical supports. There you go. There you go, dude. CRM, just another one, dude. Like where at critical support, it just got here today. Oh my god. When you don't hold 195, you go to 161. Boom, there. When you don't hold 161, 116.
Pilot hire tip $22.61. ENR, NYSE, Connect.
Yeah, Enron.
Not as screwed yet. 0.330000000 LTC.
Yeah, dude, that's Enron. Not screwed yet. Just kidding. So once you break 161, then the downside potential is eventually, I think, 28%. You got more, and that's probably going to happen because everything else has made these 88, 100% retrace. Why would CRM not? It will. It will, dude. You'll see. The leverage. Got to unwind. What is the VIX at? The volatility index, man. I can't believe this. I mean, it's just hanging out above 30. All these things getting just obliterated beyond recognition. And you're just sitting here at 32, just hanging out above 30. You're not spiking. I don't think that's good, man. I don't think that's good at all. Oh, what's up, Gene, dude? Dude indeed. Dude, indeed. All right. If you're above 30, bad news. All right, you want to see some more devastation? Take a look at Skyworks. If you broke 112, you were going to 57. You will go to 57. You will be there. All right? You're going to 57. Book it. Yeah, couldn't ever break that supply line. When you break this level, straight up, straight down, straight up, straight down, straight up, almost straight down, straight up. So straight down again. When you break 112, you go down 50%. You will go down 50% from here. You've already started. Beautiful start. But there's way more downside. If you don't think so, you're crazy. You just look left. History tells you what this normally does. And if not, even if not, then fine. 88%, fine. 83 is still like ridiculous, stupid downside. Who knows coming? You hold on. It's over, dude. Meltdowns daily. Daily occurrence, man. We are not at strong support on all indexes. What are you talking about? I have proven without a doubt that all index funds, we have been below those supports. We've even back tested them as resistance. Person who said that at, 20 minutes ago? What? Still at strong support on all indices. What are you talking about? Where? Where's the strong support? Where? There is none. There is no strong support. It's over. There's no support till 3,300. Just go, if you really want to know, go to the weekly. Weekly, dude. Where's the support? Tell me where the support is. There is none. It's a straight line up. Rudy Poo straight line up. Okay. And look at last week. You know, you went up. Hey, what was once resistance is resistance again. Collapsed. Yeah, dude. What about the Qs? No support. Zero strong support. What? There is no strong support. There isn't strong support literally until 187 to 195. Everything else is a joke. And look at your curved line. Right, that parabolic uptrend you've been in since the COVID or since the global financial crisis bottom. Look at that downside. Look at the 200-week moving average. There's so much downside here. Chipotle rug pull? Yeah, dude. Probably. It's Chipotle, man. It's Chipotle. Luna, 113 and falling. Get wrecked, man. CME? Or CME, yeah, it's like the, no, CMG, excuse me. Chipotle away. Oh, this thing's done, dude. This thing is about to go to the Stone Ages, chat. This is the weekly on CMG. This is going to the Stone Ages. All right? High probability, not certain. We all got somebody out there be like, dude, all in, man. Like that, whatever that idiot's name was from earlier. It's like, I don't know what I'm doing. I don't know what a stop loss is or probabilities. Here it is. The probability is very high. The momentum has barely shifted. And there's no support till... That's not even real support, dude. Really, on the weekly, 1179, fine. Below that, not even 941's one peak. Dude, the next real supports are like 758. Why would that not happen? It is Chipotle. Chipotle. Here's your neckline, your formal neckline. Right there. You've already broken the formal neckline. Yeah, you're breaking it this week. Look at this thing, man. But dude, it's Chipotle. You don't understand. You couldn't break that supply line either. That was all you needed to know. You can look at the daily. One high, no one knows. Second high, everyone in the world knows. Below 200, it's over. This thing's gonna collapse. High probability collapse chance. Yes, that right there. We've seen it all over the place, man. Look at this one. Dexcom, medical specialties. Yeah, dude. I need some medical specialty supplies to keep this price above 307 for more than 5 minutes once it tests it, okay? You understand what happens to this asset if it breaks $300, right? It's over. Bubble pop, more bubble pop, right? 179 target, easy, and that's kind of a joke. It's probably more like 150. What about Keysight? Oh my god, dude. The bubble pop, man. Your head to 129. Below 129 is 109. That probably makes way more sense than 129. But it could take a minute. It could rally there, whoa, lower highs, get more scrubs to think that it's not in a bear trend for some reason. Like, what? And then they buy on a scrub rally, and then it just rolls over, gaps down, whatever, the next day, and then you get trapped, and then it's at 109. Sure. Dude, I'm just not... Some of these songs, dude, aren't good. This one, Broadcom, dude. Let's go. Bearish Gartley, classic distribution. I'm thinking 491 eventually. It's still above that 200. It's faring a lot better than most. That's very real. But electronic technology, semiconductors asset. Oh my God. Macro, bearish. Sector of the individual asset, bearish. The asset itself showing and presenting a bearish argument. You're batting 3 for 3 right there. 491's a target. See what happens. Again, it's real strong compared to mostly everything on this market. It's crazy. Is Crypto Hoarder still in here, dude? Applied Materials. It's done, dude. It's done. It's over. You know where this is going, right? I mean, you know, chat, where AMAT is going. $69. What? I can't believe this. How can you not believe it? There's no support on the way up or down, right? It's like, look left. It's just... Dude, it's got to pop, man. There's so much downside on this. You know what the downside potential is, right? From where it is now, after already being devastated, it's on 33%, or 33% more downside from here. Hey, you're done, dude. Done, son. What was this? News Corporation was unbelievable. Look at a descending trend. What a beautiful Bulkowski pattern. If you break below 1826 to 1766, you're so done, dude. You're so screwed. Probably gonna see 1082 in time on News Corporation. Good. Let all these news corporations literally go to zero. Okay. Let all the news corporations go to zero. They deserve it. They are pieces of trash. And maybe if they reported news impartially, you know, Elon wouldn't have bought Twitter and people wouldn't be, you know, on YouTube, right? Being influencers, because everyone just got so fed up with the fake trash they always pump out to create division and hate and dissent. This thing's about it. Dude, look at it. It's back tested the past couple of days. Back tested that area that was once resistance as resistance. My God, dude. After all that dumping, it's just doing more bad bearish stuff, dude. Whew. See you at much, much lower prices. 70% downside or something. I can't even remember. What was it? Maybe not. I'm sorry. It's 40% downside. 35, 36% downside. Sorry. Yep. Bitcoin 29,455, down 5% on the day, and in very, very bad position. This is a very, very ugly place to be for Bitcoin, man. Very bad. What about ROK that was already devastated? Continuing to be devastated. ROCK. Rockwell. It doesn't matter, man. If you're at 208, look at the momentum is so bearish. You know where you're going, man. Most likely below $200. Now, how much makes sense till 156, dude? I mean, it's just like, what the? So bear everywhere I go. These charts are terrible. VIX at 32 though, by the way. That's crazy, man. How about Dell? Dell, baby. I love it. Not done with this thing till $37. Probably 35 though. The downside on this is so high still from where it is. Oh my God, dude. Still 15 to 20% downside. And that's not even really good support. So many gaps. No, it's not my first. Was your first mark? No, not mine. No, God, dude. I was live for the whole every morning for all the limit downs of 2020. That crash was very insane. But no, we don't. This is just the beginning. This is a recession. This is like a 2008. This is in 1987. Let's go back to Bitcoin real quick because Bitcoin is near its lows. This is the bad stuff, chat. This is very, very bad. Bearish engulfing candle in 4 hours and 20 minutes.
Is that a joint?
Okay. Sol and Luna crashing together. Wow. Luna sitting at 112. I don't know why that alert went off. Weird. Must have had one. Let's go to Sol because the beep went off. Why did it go off, man? It was an old alert or something? This thing, dude, oh my God, just capitulating. Already exceeding an 886 now. It's just right at it. Dude, it's breaking the $48 mark. That's $21. It could be there tonight. We are witnessing some very real history right now. And this is why I'm live early. I literally canceled my lunch plans I had with somebody at a nice restaurant to go live. Because this is something that like almost never happens. I can't believe if you're still owning these coins. Like, I think it's bad, dude. FTM's down 40% now. GRT down 36% at its lowest point of the day. Lowest point almost ever. GRT's never been this low except for like a 24-hour period, 48 hours. Oh my God, 300 million in unstaked SOL hitting the market soon. Can you give me a date on that, dude? Yeah, what happens when these coins where people are like locked up when they release and people just instant sell? I can't even imagine that, dude. Can't even imagine. I'm still looking at Luna. It's only at 112. It's really not really going, you know, dude, the way it had, you know, it's all, dude, remember, it's on 70 cents earlier. Once we crack $1, there's like actually support between 30 cents and 90 cents looking left. And GRT, there you go. See you at the worm farm, chat. WRX, also just sitting at 23 cents. That peak from March 2020. Probably going to break it. Who cares, right? OXT, session lows. Lowest price since the COVID crash, and we'll soon see 9.7 cents probably today. What would stop it? There's no support here and everything's crashing. $30 down. Sand down 26.8 cents. Was down more earlier. Mana near session lows, headed on down to 59.60 cents for 1618. Yeah, staking doesn't really work when the market crashes. Never got into it. People are like, you ever get into it? Like, nah, maybe I should, but I don't know, man. Because, you know, I think the only time to get into staking was when Ethereum launched it and you were able to do it. That probably been the only time. Speaking of Ethereum, that's down 10% and at session lows, on its way to $2,000. You will be there very soon. There's zero like support that would keep you propped up above that level, as you are crashing right now at your lowest level since July last year. Outperforming most, but just be really careful because you've needed to be careful. If you're below 3K, bearish. If you're below 40K, bearish. That's it. That was all it was. It was so easy. Below the key levels, you're bearish because of what could happen based on history. History repeated itself again this time. So dude, Maker was up 15. It's now up 1%. Dude, this like, what'd you think? What'd you think was gonna happen, dude? Yeah, it did that. It scammed out people. It hit the 200-day moving average in reverse. Look at that, dude. Earlier today, it was at 2,300, and now it's at 1,235. And it's still, I think, going to $788, $800. But SNX that screwed. Yeah, it was screwed when it made that lower high off the 200-day moving average. Look where you are, all-time lows. SNX, let's see. When I hear a beep, we will know SNX has officially made the lowest price in human history. You're very, very close, chat. Spy session lows, I wouldn't doubt it. Yes, the S&P 500 is down 1.5%. There is no support in anywhere. No support for a long time. And as we just looked at all these individual assets that comprise this and other index funds, we knew there's still massive, ridiculous downside that will propagate the S&P to see 350, probably 330 in time. It's not going to happen overnight, but my God, it's coming pretty fast. I have no idea what the all-time 886 on Bitcoin is. No idea. Talk about from zero. I don't know. It's probably not going to that 886 from zero to 69K. How do you still own Neo, Tiger Roll? What? That's right. Dell puts printing, dude. That's right. And the SNPS shorts printing for a long time. Long-term short. Yeah, dude. I just like it's not gonna stop. This should just keep plummeting. Supports have been broken everywhere. How about those newer S coins, dude? The other watch list. Oh yeah, look at a couple of those, man. Oh my God. Yeah, check on Sailor and El Salvador. Okay, here's Lena coin, not Luna. It's the rich man's Luna. Lena, down 38.36%. There's no end in sight. It's in price discovery, right? Inverse price discovery. Awful. Zero, man. We've already checked Theta, mate. How about Shake and Bake? Bake that had a wedge, broke out, runs up to hit resistance, rejects it, and now is at all-time lows. Yeah, you catch these moves in these trader market, I guess, right? But like, dude, look at it now. It's at 26 cents, probably going to zero or close to it. Who knows what it could go to, dude? It's so bad. How about another one? UMA. Oh my God, it had a chance. And then when it fell below 587, it didn't have a chance, and now it's going. Well, it's down 36.6%. That's all you need to know, man. Awful. Nothing to see here except the whole market crashing right now. Historically, you'll miss it when it's gone. When we go into this zero liquidity death time where everything goes sideways. And there's not enough liquidity to even move the price up or down enough to even make money as a swing trader. You'll see. Once and all this dies and subsides. How about this? Is that the Rose song? No, it's just a wilted, dead, farty dirt patch. Rose, the US dollar tether, has now collapsed and is at prices it hasn't seen since August 5th. It's over, dude. The bubble has popped. Everywhere. Yep. Rose. How about one? If it could hold 69 cents, and it didn't. And so now it's rolling over. It's headed to 2.9 cents. June 2019 high. That's it, man. That's where it's going. It hasn't seen these levels since March 2021 and will continue to fall. And if that doesn't hold, 2.9, it goes to 1.3. And it really wouldn't be weird. These are S coins, man. We're in a recession. People are going to starve and lose their homes. No one wants to buy Harmony coin. You're trash. Yeah, Bitcoin near session lows. I'm watching it. We have 10 minutes. This is definitely power hour for stock market, and Bitcoin's selling off with it. Let's go back to it and watch. Let us watch the devastation together. As you can see on the daily here, you know, besides that 28,800, the wicks, man, there's nothing. All right, you've already taken out the kind of the heart of the real support, which was 30K to 31K, and now you're below it, and you understand. Look left. It's very scary, man. There's nothing here formally. Like, there's no technical support until 20K. And I really hope that these little wicks hold, man, but that's hopium, man. Remember, the glass is half empty now. It used to be half full. It's half empty now. And we've already talked about the cause and effect. We knew all the index funds were below their critical supports and were in crash territory. They're crashing. Yes. So that means it is a certainty that Bitcoin cannot hold 30K if they begin to actually crash and don't put on a miracle. It's happening. It was just, 90%, 100% correlation to those index funds. And you want to tell me that 30K would hold if they're all below support and could very well crash and are now crashing? There's no way 30K holds. No. This is gonna, I mean, whatever the index funds do will dictate the directionality of Bitcoin and these altcoins. The index funds have looked like garbage for months, and now they're below all supports. Absorption of remaining demand is complete, it seems, and you're just seeing the lowest lows. Hey, man. Real bad. And thanks for the 950 people tuned in. If you're enjoying the coverage of this carnage, historical days, hit that like button down below. So thanks for being here. I appreciate it. Sorry, the conditions are not better. Dude, I canceled lunch, all right? Because this is something that, you know, I just wanted to be here for this stuff. This is very, very important. What's happening right now? It's bad. Here's your support breaking. That's what it looks like, man. The wave that we were in is still the same wave. If you can believe it. But you're not dead yet, man. It's not about the breakdown itself. It's about the fall through. That same the index funds, man. God, but like looking at the individual assets, there's no hope, man. No hope. There's no hopium to smoke. It is bearish. It is extremely bearish. Like not even kind of bearish. Like unbelievably bearish right now. I don't have ham to make a sandwich, dude. Nor do I have bread. All right. Okay, sorry. 9 more likes till what, dude? Till 600? Oh, we could do that, man. Easy in seconds. I know y'all could. So, you know, you got Bitcoin that's broken support, or is in the midst of breaking support. Then you got Ethereum that has broken support and is going to go into 2000. Nothing's going to hold it up here. It will go to 2041 in time. Just patience. Unless miracles happen, and miracles are just something never to bank on. Probability is very high, 2041 to 1972. Right? See that support broken? No support, really, dude. Like you got, I'm telling you back to February, and that's it. That's where you're headed. You're headed to those levels. On Ethereum, unfortunately. Here's the daily. The daily. No edge, slightly oversold, just slightly, man. Wow, really nasty. And then really below that 1970 area is 1730. Wow, dude. Rip Vet Minboy? Nah, Vet Minboy is still the top Jesus. He will remain the top Jesus until the end of time. Especially now, right? Especially now. Like maybe if Ethereum would have kept going, yeah, Bitmin Boy would have been topped. But now it is a certainty he will never be topped. And that's okay. We're entering a really bad market, okay? We got 5 minutes. 5 minutes till the close, till the stock market closes. It's a closing bell, if you will. And I think that if Bitcoin's rallied a little bit, that means the SPY has rallied a little bit too. Not really. Like a fruit fly rallies, right? It's terrible. Your shoe shine guy says to just hang on with Luna. Yeah, dude. Yeah, man. Luna was worse than BitConnect. Like, the magnitudes are like not even close. BitConnect was like what, 2.87 billion at its highest market cap ever, 2.87, and then Luna was at 41 billion. So the difference, like, it's not even close. Bear Stearns was 20 billion. So you doubled Bear Stearns that had to get bailed out, or they didn't. They went under, but a lot of their banks had to get bailed out. Bigger than Enron, way bigger than Enron, dude. I don't think Enron was more than 41 billion, dude, right? Yeah, shoot up by Enron at these discounts, and they would always say, if you liked Enron at 58, you're gonna love it at 4, at 2, at 1. Luna the new Lehman. Oh, Luna the new Enron, dude. Anyway, man. 3 minutes, okay? It's running out the clock situation, okay? You can't look at Enron. It's been delisted. It's not on TradingView. Running out the clock. I've been live 2 hours, 13 minutes, man. I'm getting hungry and I'm tired. Getting hangry, all right? But yeah, session lows. The Qs. Oh, Energizer. Yeah, dude, I forgot. Yep. Oh, hit. See ya. 1618's 283. Yep. On your way, dude. On the Qs. No support. You've already broken it. Next level's really like 260. But probably lower. Energizer, yep. Yep, I know, it's unreal. It's like crazy. It's like a perfect bullish bat pattern at the lowest levels ever. Trying to hang on. I know it's just not, though. It's like, how can, I mean, if the index funds catch a green day, this might be okay. It's still there. It's fine like a fruit fly, I guess. Yeah, lowest risk areas of all time, sure. But it's such a bearish market, dude. That's it. You can't break $32. If you broke that, then I think you got a good chance of seeing $40. But you can't with the market literally crashing. It's hard, you know. Yeah, AMD was going down to that level where Lisa Su bought shares back. Yeah, it's going down to $75 to complete the bullish deep crab. That's where I think we're going. That's great. It's performing so much better than so many others, you know. What is it? TMC? No, TM. What is it? Taiwan Semiconductors. I'm losing my mind here. TSM, sorry. Yeah, dude, this is the Tower of Berador. The C60, it's NFT'd. There's a gap fill at 69. Oh, it's coming, dude. It's coming. Just patience. I see you. $49 seconds, chat, till the bell, till the closing bell. Bitcoin, $29,250 right there, near the lows of the day. The lows of the day came really early this morning at $29,022. All right. 15 seconds till the closing bell. Off the lows of the day marginally, but we now have a close. Jesus chimes for the lowest daily candle close on the S&P 500 since March 25th, 2021. Much lower to go. Sorry, it's just gonna happen. We are in that phase. In the phase, man. It was a brutal day. The QQQ down 3%, lowest daily candle close since November 2020. Support breached with confirmation today. I guess it was, yeah, today. This is the day it broke support, the support. Yeah. Yesterday you were above it, now you're below it with confirmation. I think what's happened in crypto is worse than 2018 so far. Yep. The microphone's falling, hold on. Yeah, dude, Tesla wreck party, you know it, dude. All you gotta do is go to it and know. That bear shark was the Jesus, dude. Yeah, Tesla down 8.2%. Imagine buying Tesla, dude. It's about to make a lower low. And it's going down, man. Once you break $700, you're going down to $546, $500. It's gonna happen, dude. It'll happen in time. Bear trend's here. It's here. Yeah, imagine having to report earnings. Yeah, Beyond Meat reporting, Disney, Rivian. Yikes. Beyond Meat, dude. Beyond screwed. Whoops. Look at this one. Oh, 886, by the way. And is it a 113 now? Oh, it's about to be. It is. It's like right at the 113. How about that? Okay. The 886 fails. You go 113. You're at it. But you're about to report and you're about to get devastated. You're down 14% today on this one. All-time lows. Come on, man. Oh, man. Not great, certainly terrible. That's right. Are they reporting now? Like, they should be reporting any minute now. That was a Beyond Meat, and then with Disney. Oh my god, dude. Disney's reporting. Oh my god. We were gonna make it, man. Just cracking through all these supports, resistances, heading on down to $96. After 96 is 90. After 90 is 78. After that is a free fall. Then it goes to freaking $44. Yeah, you still get a lot of supports left here on Disney at least. But yeah, going for that 886. I'm sure this gets destroyed after hours too. Yeah, dude. Dude, that was some crazy times in November 2018, man. Sometimes I miss them. Yep, so Disney's reporting. And then Rivian, which I can't imagine that thing looks good. Jesus, that makes no money. Remember they had a scam, their CEO's a scammer or something? Yeah, dude. This is what a scammer looks like. Hey, the dude got like, I think he's like literally in jail. for scamming shareholders, and it's at all-time lows, and it hasn't reported yet. Earnings. Why do these companies even have earnings now? Like, we know it's going to be bad. Cancel earnings. There's Bitcoin back in the red on the new 4-hour candle. A little bit. Oh, Nikola was a scam. I thought Rivian also was a scam. There was also NIO too. Yeah, Nikola. That's right. Yeah. But okay, does this chart look like the guy's a scam? Or like this company is a scam? Come on, someone report earnings. Do something. Alright, let's go back to Bitcoin. This is bad news, man. Bad news. You know, if all stayed the same, chat, if all stayed the same and we closed right here, it would be the lowest daily candle close since December 31st of 2020. It would be lower than any other candle close we saw at any point in early 2021 or mid 2021. We'd never seen prices like this yet. So a miracle would have to happen, which I don't think is coming. So Camille, this is just what happens. People are deleveraging, people are getting out, the bubble's popping, the free money printer is gone, they're doing the inverse now, quantitative tightening. Recession has to happen, man.
Hi Mitch, please explain, since crypto is so integrated in small/medium/big companies, and now even countries, are we still getting these huge corrections? No mega company/country is interested in a volatile asset, right?
Well, everything is net short on volatility. Volatility is just hanging out above 30. Everyone's just offloading their positions. And now it's technical. Now it is the technical damage is being done. Everything out there. I mean, dude, since Saturday, I've been looking at like hundreds of charts. They're all breaking supports. And a lot of them have already gone straight down to the next levels that were like 30%, 40%, 50% down. And now on stocks, a lot of stocks we looked at today have already broken their critical supports, just barely. So it's almost like Bitcoin breaking 30K. There's so much downside because there's no formal support looking left. So you're going to see, y'all going to learn, I guess, if you don't know about straight up, straight down. Mr. Miyagi going to teach you this time. The new class. You're talking about chat ignored Martian. What? Fake news, dude. Literal fake news. Sono's up 18% after hours. Nice, dude. Nice. You were all in, weren't you? That's hilarious. That is hilarious, chat. Okay. Just a little bit of unoccupied house on stilts in North Carolina collapsed into the ocean, and it was worth $381,000 according to Zillow. There it is, chat. You could buy this. Probably discounted rate now. 381,000, chat. Sorry. Yes. All right. Yeah. Underwater, man. It's a houseboat. Yeah. There you go. So Bitcoin. 29,000, about to crack it. You never fell below it, I don't think, this morning. $29,026 at the lows of the day. You're at 29,120. Yeah, it was a yacht, man. That's not true, Camille, at all. Bitcoin crypto is very,
But
heavily
isn't crypto
correlated.
supposed to not be correlated with the stock market? It is obviously, but isn't that like what it isn't supposed to be?
No. Remember, you can't think about price for crypto. Crypto serves a purpose, individual sovereignty, cuts out the middleman. I could transact between another individual and the computers around the world that secure it, right? And the miners, they ensure that security between person and person. Bitcoin could be a $1, 1,000, 60, 80, a billion. It doesn't matter. It's serving the same purpose. The problem is now you have institutions that have gotten so heavily into crypto that now their algorithms and bots are set up the exact same way as the equities market. But the problem is, it's like everything is net short on volatility, and volatility is elevated right now. So, and again, critical supports have been broken everywhere. So, how was 30K going to hold? It wasn't. Bitcoin's down over 6% today, almost $2,000, and is literally flirting with the abyss disaster. That's why I'm live right now. It wasn't just Bitcoin though; it was stocks too. Stocks are all. Not all, because a lot have already been demolished. The trash got taken out first, but now you're talking about the medium trash. The trash isn't as trashy, and now that's getting taken out. Now all those assets are breaking critical supports, and there are other ones that have just begun. So there's still like good short opportunities. Some are really already down, and then this is like Bitcoin's just now breaking the very real supports. But yeah, you got a chance, man. 28K, 28.7. I think we are already in a recession. It's been that way. Nothing's changed, dude. Oh yeah, we are definitely in a recession. For sure. But yeah, they're not going to tell you till, after 2 quarters. Okay, dude. We're in a recession. Book it. Yeah, US dollar is up there, man. Come on. US dollar is about to hit a 20-year high as I'm speaking to you. Disney reported. I'll add a little alert here just in case. If I hear the beep, wow, lows of the year. Lows of, yeah, it's bad. Disney is up after hours, up 4.44%. I doubt that holds for long.
Where do you see this going to? 21K for BTC?
I'm not going to tell you where I think it's going. All I'm telling you is you are breaching critical supports, and based on history, there's literally nothing but a straight line up. That's it. And when that happens, man, if the supports break in time in history or like in the future, then it could be a straight line down. So it's possible 20K based on just technicals and not romanticizing Bitcoin. Oh my God, I'm in love with Bitcoin, dude. Not like that. Just saying, like, if it's treated like any other asset, yeah, the next real major support is 20K, yeah.
BTC 1 week chart. A COVID crash low of $3,858 to ATH at $69,000 has 0.886 at $11,284, which is where it started to go straight up.
There you go. Could go to 11K, 14K areas, sure. I mean, it's all about this, man. We are breaking down. We have broken supports, but it's not about the breakdown itself. It's about the immediate follow through. What kind of follow through price action is Bitcoin going to receive after this technical breakdown? You eat the bugs. Klaus Schwab has now secured it that no one in crypto space, man, unless you sold, no one's gonna be eating anything but bugs, man. There you go, Beyond Meat. Really Beyond Meat, huh? Yeah. So we're just sitting here patiently waiting for the world to collapse, which is Bitcoin. Bullish on bug farms. Yeah, dude. I didn't even know they had bug farms, but I guess it makes sense. The Dutch Bros are down 27% on earnings. What is the Dutch Bros? Probably is very bearish. All's going to happen is, oh, hey, look, Grayscale got declined by the SEC for approval on a spot Bitcoin ETF again. It's all bearish now, dude. All bearish. I would get more coffee, but I can't. Can't get more coffee right now. Sucks. There it is, chat. We are now at the lowest lows of the day. The lowest lows since the date of June 22nd, 2021. Wow. Here we go. Lowest lows, I'm telling you. In 10 months. Bad times. Recession, real recession hours, chat. Live 2 hours, 31 minutes. If you're enjoying the coverage, hit that like button, that bell, that sub. Sorry, I'm not here under better circumstances. 28,976 right there. Another fresh low of the day. But it's okay, you're not collapsing yet. Not collapsing yet, man. I'm very hungry though. Isn't it weird? Was it what are they're not iPods, they're like the earbuds. I think they have like a larger market cap than like most countries in the world or something stupid. The Apple iBuds. Jesus, dude. I think that's Disney reported like parks, experiences, products revenue up or of 6.7 billion, up from 3.2 billion in the same quarter last year. Wow. That makes sense though because of the COVID stuff. So yep. This music's pretty good for the environment, I believe. I suppose. So it was Black Monday, it's now Black Wednesday. Yep, Black Wednesday and Black Monday for crypto, for sure. This is a historical week. How's oh hey look, Luna is at 120. Still, you know, figured it'd be a lot crazier than this. So I figured it would be at 0 by now. Well, XRP screwed, dude. XRP going much, much lower. Satoshi a little late, man, to be asking these questions. It just depends on, you know, how much money are you willing to lose? I don't know, like how much you hold, you know? So it's like...
Afternoon, Mitch. Thanks for the knowledge, education, and coverage during this historic time. Would you mind inverting the chart so it doesn't hurt as much?
What's up, Jeffrey, dude? Sure, dude. For you, anything. There you go, chat. Way better looking chart on Bitcoin. We're mooning. We're at the highest size we've seen since June 22nd, 2021. Moon, dude. Moon. You're breaking resistance. It might be time. Oh, yeah, sure. Yep. Oh, and be sure if you're watching, be sure to join the Discord. Here's the Discord link. Here's the Discord link. Join it so you never miss a live stream. When I go live at these random times, not the scheduled broadcast time, which is at 6 p.m. Central, 7 p.m. Eastern. Okay. It's a lot nicer, isn't it, when we're inverted? I should just change the candle colors too. Down would be green, and then it would look real nice. I don't know if I'm gonna stream later today. No, probably not, man. I mean, my friend wants to get, well, he's like, one of my friends had to cancel on. I can't even reschedule for tomorrow, but another friend wanted to eat lunch, but I already had scheduled plans to go eat lunch, and so I canceled on multiple people for lunch. And I think he's coming over here, and we're gonna then from here go get food and probably drink or something, you know. Here we are again, chat, just sitting in the abyss, 28,000. What was it? There's like the wick lows. The 28,700. 28,800. That's about it, man. Then nothing. Discord, join it or be destroyed. Spamming. There you are. You've all joined the party. Ethereum, you know, it's pretty much near its lows of the day too. Anything else near its absolute lows? Jesus. Dude, these things are so wrecked. FTM's down 43%. Wow. GRT 37%. Yep, and it's fresh lows.
In the mix.
Alice near fresh lows. WRX. Yeah, dude. It's just everything. Devastated. Here's your ICX. Won't stop probably till 30 cents. Yeah, probably won't stop till 30 cents, chat. It's a lot of up, down, up, down, up. Okay, 30 cents target eventually. Collapsing, dude. OXT won't stop till 10 cents probably. Oh, another set ended, dude. Yeah, complete and utter devastation across this crypto space, chat. Stock market also beginning to crash too. Well, Zcash, it was going to do it, man. It was going to do it. And then it, well, it did it. And then it back tested the resistance as resistance. And then look where you are now. You know, you're breaking supports. You'll soon want, I mean, you're below the area. You're going to $53. $53 is your target on Zcash. 5.3. You're at 82. There's so much downside. Just back to Bitcoin because it's so close to continuing its descent. I don't know how much longer I can stay alive though, dude. This is killing me.
Gentlemen, in the mix.
It's true. It's true.
When it comes out, 0.
He's getting there, man. Closer to 0 than 100K now, right? Stock market is already closed. What are you talking about? It's over. Stock market closed like, I don't know, 20 minutes ago. Started so hard to like continue to focus after like being live this long, you know. Yeah, we could look at that one. Wait. What's going on? Weird. Yeah, Brave New Coin. This is that log scale long-term uptrend on Bitcoin. 200-week moving average, 22K. That's where you're headed, 25, 26K to test that demand line, if that's real. I mean, yeah. Yep. 25K. Comp all-time lows, get wrecked. Get wrecked everything. Everything gets wrecked. Including Bitcoin. It's just taking its time, isn't it? What support is about to break? It's already broken, dude. You've already broken support, dude. Look, you broke support. I mean, there's 28.8. You got a couple little wicks. Yeah, I don't think it's... Look at this weekly, dude. So bad, dude. 20K is the only thing that makes any sense, unless you're talking about that 25K upsloping channel and log scale. This is like terrible. This is like devastation. Yeah, I don't know if like I heard this rumor about the USDT had been getting wrecked with too. Yeah, well, dude, I mean, anything they say is just a lie, a literal lie. They never tell the truth. They brag about, anytime Brandon goes on podium, he just brags about things they've done. They haven't done anything. They don't represent the interest of any American. They don't. It's like obvious. It's really weird. It's like how people, I can't believe people put up with it. Like, what do people do though? How do you like end this? And then what about yesterday? $33 billion. Oh, Mitch McConnell, we need to send $33 billion to Ukraine, man. More. We need to even send even more, dude. Absolutely unbelievable. It's like taxation without representation. It really is that now. So I'm saying, what point does it get to? They just get to do everything. That's write checks, both sides. The uniparty, it's one party, and they're just writing, and all this money, where is it going? No accountability. No one knows. They're just doing this. No one's voting for this stuff, dude. And again, the worst part is that you have no idea where the money is going, dude. Oh, so much gaslighting. Unbelievable gaslighting, yeah. Horizontal support holding like a fruit fly? No, I don't think so. Most of it's broken. Nah, dude, you're smoking the most potent hopium known to man if you think Bitcoin's okay right now. We're just hanging out for a sec. Wait on Bitcoin to make fresh lows, dude. I'll just add another beep. If we hear the beep, more fresh lows, man, okay? USDT collapsing. USDT. Whoa. Whoa, dude. You see this? It's done this before, many times. But still, like, what's going on with the USDT, chat? No one seeing this? Don't you dart this, man. Oh my god. They're about to lose its... Dude, what if this lost its peg? What the... Bitcoin, I don't even know what would happen to Bitcoin if this thing lost its peg. What the... Is it getting attacked or something? Jesus. We're under attack! It's not pegged. It's still at 99. If it's above 99, it's still pegged, right? It's still okay. Bruh, an hour, by the way. Oh, never mind. It's just the Rufos. We'll set up an alert or something. If it's falling below its lows of the day, then time to panic. I just want to get a word to say about this. I mean, look, dude, you've seen this so many times that, like, it's gone to 99 cents before in January and October, right? These are all in, like, crash times. These are all big crashes and dumps going on. when that happens. So, you know. On Bitcoin, back to the Bitcoin chart. On the daily, so you can see it, man. Bearish engulfing candle in 3 hours, 30 minutes. There's your 4 hour. 6% down. $1,900 down. And the whole crypto market's imploding with it. All right, Porter, be good, man. Oh man, it's like I'm hungry and I'm tired. This market is absolutely insane, though. What are you gonna do with Bitcoin? We're waiting. We're waiting on Bitcoin, chat. Okay. Just flirting with 29K. Nothing gonna survive. I don't care if it's Hex or anything. It's all screwed once these levels get taken out, which I think they're already taken out. I just think this is like a mercy. You got some mercy here, dude. Once that breaks, man, that's all you got. That's not support. That's nothing. That's thin air, almost like price discovery. All right, Luna making new lows on the 4 hour candle. Right, lows 113 and falling. And this is not the UST, this is US dollar tether that is seemingly having problems.
Since you got hedged on this crash before the crash, what is your portfolio makeup currently, Mitch? Still in Bitcoin?
Mainly all cash, dude. Mainly all cash with, I'm having fun. I'm having, you know, nothing crazy, just small positions, shorts and puts, and if they blew up, I'd be fine too, but mainly cash, because I'm telling you, in conditions like this, not losing money is winning, okay? Because, hey, this is going to curb inflation. Demand's going to getting destroyed. So, yeah, you'd think like, dude, you're losing 8% on your money every year. Like, I'm not holding cash for a year. I'm holding it for as long as I keep seeing this stuff develop, right? So if you think about if you're in these assets and they're getting demolished like this, you're not losing 30, 50%. Think about how much more you're losing because of inflation. You're losing substantially more money. So sitting cash is actually not a bad position, and it's been that way. Man, once we got back below 42K, 40K that day, I was in the UK and we were seeing that beautiful back test. That's it. That was it. That was it, dude. There's just nothing good can come when you're below 40K. Nothing. Only bad. And the bad happened real fast. And now it's accelerating even more. So,
Gentlemen.
dude, target for dump. I mean, look, dude. 25K because of that brave new coin log scale demand line. But just linear scale, looking at horizontal line support resistance, there's nothing till 20K below 28.8 or whatever. 28, yeah, 28.8. To these little lows, these little wick lows from January 22nd and June 23rd, 22nd, whatever. Yeah. The 22nd, now it's the 11th. Uh-oh. All right, here we go. A fresh 4 hour low on Luna again at 111. US dollar tether is still freaking out, man. Literally freaking out every second, just about, or was. Oh yeah, there's a gap on those CME futures, I think, too. Yeah, 110 on Luna right there. Bitcoin just still flirting with disaster. I mean, this is why we're on it, man. This is why I'm still live, you know. 3-hour live stream. Shoot, dude. Bitcoin's very close now, chat. Very, very close. For, you know, fresh lows of the day. Solana 45, dude. Solana's going way down. It's already broken those critical supports of the 886. It's done, dude. Capitulation. It's coming. Gray should be alright. You'll be alright. You'll live to fight another day. For our bullish divergence? Nah. No. Literally no. Not yet. You've just begun to build negative momentum and you're breaking all supports. You're just sitting, hanging out at a couple wick lows. No, that's not divergence yet. You could be a you could be at 25K and still make divergence. Oh man, dude, no way. USDT about to beat its lows of the day. No way, dude. Don't do it. USDT, don't do it. Oh my God. Bro. It's getting hairy over here, all right, in the crypto world. Because US dollar tether, I don't even know. I mean, I get it. We've done this before, but, you know, it's getting to points where these are massively bad times when it's actually doing that. So, guess what? Massively bad times we're in right now, I can tell you that. Okay, Bitcoin rallied off those lows a little bit. 29,157. I guess we're safe now. Bear market over. USDT is tied to like everything crypto now, dude. Like everything, right? I could imagine if this thing gets unpegged for real. Oh, it's probably, I don't even know, man. That's something that's like, people have talked about it and it's gotten written off. It's like, what happens, man? You know, people just print these US dollar tethers. I have no idea. That would be probably a cataclysm, like literally the 6,000 year cataclysm we had, like where, right? Animals went extinct, massive flooding. That's where the biblical Noah's Ark came from, that story. Yeah, that would happen in crypto if this US dollar tether truly unpegged from the US dollar. Yeah, that would happen. Yeah, it'd be a gaggle of black swans, dude, if the US dollar tether truly depegged. But it's okay, dude. Bitcoin hasn't collapsed yet, even though it's broken support with confirmation, at least on the 4-hour. Look at you, dude, just sitting there. Man, okay, so I'm just trying to like stick around because it could happen, man. Like we're just at points where anytime, oh my God, it's collapsing. We're dumping, dudes. It's just not happening. I mean, you're there. You're at like the lows of the day, pretty much, right around there. AVAX wrecked? I mean, is that a surprise? Like, for real? Is that a surprise at all? If you're surprised that AVAX got wrecked, I have nothing to say to you. That means, like, you obviously are new. You're not watching the streams. Whatever, dude. All this stuff could have been avoided. Like, all these dumps, man. I mean... But I guess we're okay, dude, because you didn't collapse, man. All right, we're safe now, chat. Woo. Oh, man, now I can go get some food, I guess, right? Get out your hopium, holy guns, and smoke it, dude. Get out your hopium, dude. Switching back and forth, man. Luna, US dollar, Tether. That's having problems in Bitcoin, man. So you want to see it, really? You really want to see it? Luna. This is it. How incredible. It was the Jesus Head and Shoulders, wasn't it? It was the Head and Shoulders that would end all other Head and Shoulders, man. Unbelievably perfect. I don't know if I've ever seen a Head and Shoulders so incredible before. Little did we know that it was going to tell us that this was going to like collapse the crypto markets and everything for years to come, maybe. When food stamps, I mean, we're at record highs. Like, there's like record levels of food stamps going on right now. So this should be NFT. I think I probably will NFT it. Yep. That's cool to smoke your crack pipe hopium, dude. I'm looking at the index funds. Are the index funds showing hidden bullish divergence in the weekly? Certainly not. No.
How do we sell if US crashes?
I don't know, dude. Talk to your financial advisor. Dude. I don't know, man. Go to another stable coin or go to the US dollar. Yeah, US dollar coin or something. But I don't know, dude. If you have US dollar coin and Coinbase goes bankrupt, they're still going to take your money. So get wrecked. Okay, we're at 106 on Luna Connect. Literally Luna Connect, all right? It is now always Luna Connect. Never call it Luna again. Luna Connect. Do Kwon Mottos. You think a bottom's in, bro? Well, good luck. Show us your long, your fresh long. Right here below support. Who knows, man? I'm sure there's some correlation. Like, why is the US dollar tether getting wrecked like this? Or not wrecked, but like kind of getting de-pegged. Why is this happening? People are scared. But every time a crash happens, you can see like the USDT dumps too. Now USDC, I'm sure could be unpegged from the dollar, like literally everything. But I'm saying, like, remember the prospectus or whatever they added to their bylaws, Coinbase yesterday in their earnings report. Like, if they go bankrupt, any crypto or any asset that you have in Coinbase is theirs, pretty much. Oh yeah, dude. Imagine like a Bitcoin actually went to 20K. What happens to El Salvador? Bro. Yeah, unfortunately, I'm just not gonna be able to survive streaming longer. Okay, I'm hungry. Yeah, I'm just hungry, dude. And yeah, I think put out a good day's work. 3 hours live on a Wednesday. Early, really early. And not much is happening right now. Everything, the damage is done, right? We've already looked across the markets and seen the damage that has been done, right? But Luna's still at 105 and its lows at the 4 hour candle. Anyway, good luck, Bitcoin. We'll pray for you. But Jesus ain't got nothing to do with Bitcoin right now. All right. So thanks for the likes, love, support, contributions, everything in between. Thanks, Mama Ivy, Top Jesus, and then Double Down, second Top Jesus by $1. I'll be back. Until next time, respect to TA.